Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word planes. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The vast plains stretched out before us, inviting us to explore their open expanse. Plains refers to flat land characterized by minimal variations in elevation, often used for agriculture or grazing purposes due to its expansive and open nature. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.